Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg once again on an all-new Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. A 2020 model, one of the first ones. You guys are going to be impressed. Let's get this party started. Out here enjoying a beautiful day on the water, of course. We live in Florida, fortunate enough. Summertime is ending, but the fun doesn't stop. It's just getting started. Up here on the bow, plenty of leg room, of course. Bow ladder for when you're nosed up to the sandbar. And follow me over here, I'm going to show you something. One of the big hits on the 270 is these armrests that go down, and then you're able to actually face forward while running. Moving on back here to the helm, we've got this bolster right here. Short fellow like myself, I usually sit on it, able to see above this windshield line. Also comes down to have a full-blown seat. Simrad fully digital dash right here, completely integrated to your engine and your electronic navigation, vessel control, active trim, the whole 9 yards as far as electronics goes. Follow me down here on the port side, we have a head. Now of course that's industry standard nowadays on any boat that's around 27 feet. But, however, you go down here, you notice how roomy it is. So use it as a changing room and whatnot, for a full-size adult to fit in. Come on down here, we've got infinity woven vinyl carpet. Snaps into the deck, really good stuff. Take it off whenever you want and really durable in the salt water. Up here we've got the arch, provides you plenty of shade. And if you're a fitness junkie, come up here, do some pull-ups, who cares? Kidding, don't do that. If it breaks, I'm not liable. Seriously though, real good stuff. Seating and storage, storage and seating. Whichever direction you want to go, we've got it. Down here, extra cooler for all your crispy boys. Storage, all the storage in the world here on the port side. Got the cover down there, which does come with the boat. What is this right here? This is the water sports pool. Picture yourself right now, hammered down, cruising across the water. You got your kids back there on the tube and they're screaming, "Mom, Dad, I love you. You guys are the best parents in the world." Sun pad back here, of course, when they put the outboard engine on these boats, beneath that sun pad is all the storage you could ever ask for. Also, real great lounger when you're watching a sunset behind the boat. Back here equipped with, of course, the industry leader in outboard technology, Mercury Marine. Got an all-white 300 horsepower V8 Verado. Yes, the engine is on. I was just up in Mercury last year and they have a whole facility dedicated to keeping these engines quiet so you can actually have a conversation with those that you love. What do you think, Landon? Is it hot lap time? Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis from MarineMax St. Petersburg, Sea Ray 270 SDX. You saw it here first. Let's go for a lap.